Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set eye comfort shield to adaptive auto adjustment or custom settings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on displayed. Next, in displayed, go down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. Tap on the left hand side panel over here. In here you could choose Adaptive or Custom. For Adaptive, it will automatically adjust your screen's colors based on the time of the day. And if you choose Custom, in here you can choose the color temperature at the bottom. Drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the yellow tint. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.